But then even if you're standing, you don't see them.
Waiting for the tram. Excalibur. Lunch starting at $11, Monday through Friday, 10:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. at Buco de Pepo at Excalibur. That's a really good, cheap deal for lunch. Love the tram. About 50,000 people just came off of it right before I got on here, so yeah, covering because the Raider game just got over. I forgot to mention to you all that we're going to Luxor to the Backstage Deli. I've never been there before, so I'm gonna give it a try real quick.
Tram is accelerating. Please hold on to it.
We are here at the Luxor. We go inside and I'm all rocking and rolling around. Oh, the pretty Christmas tree. Carrot cake. They got donuts. I ended up ordering the Philly cheesesteak with tots. And little Callie got herself her favorite raspberry iced tea that she loves so much. Now she's gonna be up all night long. Our total here was $22 for the Philly cheese and $5.50 for a soda. It was $29.80. And I'm really proud of myself because this trip I've actually been remembering to use my MGM card so I can rack some points up. Thinking about making some bets because I haven't bet in a long time. So let's do a little sports. We're gonna do a tater tot off. That's right, a tot off. We're gonna be comparing Backstage Deli's tater tots to Johnny Rockets tater tots. We're heading over to Johnny Rockets after this to get some tater tots, and we're gonna try both, and we're gonna have a tater tot off. Let's go. Plus, we want to get a milkshake. You know how we love milkshakes.
I'm gonna need something to regulate her temperature.
I'm hot. We secured the food. Got my Backstage Deli Philly cheesesteak sandwich, and oh my god, it is so damn good. I'm gonna give that one a 9 out of 10, and their tater tots were a 9 out of 10. Now we gotta try the Johnny Rockets tater tots tomorrow. Got my drink of tonight, a Proud Source spring water. They are so yummy and tasty. That was good. As part of our view, we got MGM Grand and the empty Tropicana.